of deep mourning. In view of this, the Council has unanimously agreed to remove His Excellency KISII Mutai from the leadership of the Council as the Vice Chair with immediate effect.
KISII FM enka yomugusi
Ruth Magoma
togenrete gotigara sengane yomo gavana bwe county ya KISII oyobo igoro mokonye bo munyakirogo bwe kiama kya ODM Moske Paul Simbarate ngati ya baraya bange abagenrete gwesokia na kuikiria nkwana yomo gavana bwe county ya Nyeri KISII Mutai eyo yaralekana kogokirogo kwako yolengo mwaziri omoneno mukuru Nyagosira Raila Odinga gwitrase ujumbe yaje eyabwa tokocha sie chinyomba cyo baralia Moske Simbaniga agikelia enkwane yo Moske Mutai nagotababona abakenya bonsi nigo bagenrete kolera hawo kwako Moske Raila Odinga oyolengo murayo kolete mirimo emerene emergency ya Kenya na igo nonye abarayi babwate chitobauti cyabo cyage siasa tebawoneti kogokera ogo kwakwaye yanigago cha chinga kiboigo munyakirogo bwe kiamekyo kya ODM oyobo igoro mugavana bwe county ya Mabe Musubati Gladys Wanga esokire na kuikeria bororo enkwane yo mugavana KISII asatebro na enkwane yo neyogo sekrelia na gochechelia ogo kwakwaye Moske Raila Odinga ase atebuna Moske KISII Mutai noyomo bwabalia babere bagokonyeka inse yo Moske Raila Odinga na igo barabwabuna babwatani bekiama kya ODM tebaligo chia kwebwatania na montonde bwensi oyogo kwana mamincha ya Nyagosira Raila Odinga.
For someone of Governor KISII's caliber, of Raila's sweat, scars and tears, to make such derogatory remarks of a man who spent most of his life fighting for change in this country is disgraceful and shameful. It is worth noting that the entire Western Kenya region that he decries of benefiting from government resources and development has nothing compared to what his region has benefited from since Kenya became independent. It's uncouth and unacceptable for Mr. KISII to make such remarks. In fact, and what I know is that KISII does not speak for himself. KISII is the spokesperson of Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua mocked Raila's illness and asked whether he was a virus and whether Kalonzo was a bacteria. To date, Rigathi Gachagua is yet to mourn Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga, who braved political tensions to go and mourn his brother, the late Nderitu Gachagua. And therefore, we note now that anyone who associates with Gachagua and his ilk, like KISII, cannot be our friend.
KISII FM enka yomugusi
Ruth Magoma